Hello Rutgers, I'm Kevin and this is your RU Info update for Monday, December 5th. Today there will be a Relay for Life information session at the Livingston Student Center at 9:30 p.m. To learn more about Relay for Life 2012, visit www.relayforlife.org/Rutgers University. Also today, come celebrate a successful semester with Rupa and to learn about upcoming events in the spring. This event will be held at the Bush Student Center in the multi-purpose room at 8 p.m. Lastly, come and join the Human Rights House for their annual open house, Justice and Java, Coffee House. Come support the campaign to raise awareness against gender violence and militarism. Forget the boring slideshows and lectures. They will be presenting skits, performances, and a fashion show. The event will be held at the Douglas Student Center at 7:30 p.m. For more information, please check out their Facebook page. For questions and more information, contact RUinfo at 732-445-INFO or visit us on the web at nb.rutgers.edu. Thanks for checking in with us and remember to tune in to RUTV Channel 6 tomorrow for more updates.